Hello students, in today's class, it is chapter number 7. Can you see the patterns? Can you see the patterns? Now before this today's class, we discussed about the same topic in our previous classes. And once video was shared with you about the same topic and to watch it before we discuss about this same topic. Okay? Now see, in today's class, first question is given here. So what is this question? Write the rule of pattern and choose what comes next from given option. But one example of pattern is given here. And now we have to see how they are changing. According to what rule it is continue. According to what rule it is continue. That rule we have to identify. And here we have to write that rule. According to what rule it is changing here. And here that we have to identify. And here we have to write what is that rule. And after writing rule, by using the same rule, we have to choose here, we have to find out here what comes next. But that picture, that shape, we have to choose from this given option. From this given option. Okay? So before choose what comes next, हमें ये लिखने से पहले कि पहले क्या आए, इसमें क्या आएगा? We have to choose from these two options. But before choose option, we have to find out what rule we have to use here. What rule is used here that we have to identify. See, this is picture beta. It is blue color, pink color, green color and white color. And now see, same color and same color are used here. Same four color are used here, but only their position are changing. Now what is reason for changing here? In chapter number 5, does it look the same? We learned about what is the reason for the changing the position of pictures. Yes, say. What is the reason for the changing the position of picture? Say. Picture या shape का जो position होता है वो change का reason क्या होता है? It is just because of turning. It is because of turning. It means some turn are given here. तो इस shape को कुछ turn दिया गया है. Because of that turn it is changing here. उसके कारण वो क्या होता जा रहा है? Turn होता गया है. So now see, this picture is blue here. After this, it's come here, again it's come here, then next where it will go, that we have to find out from this option. But you see, observe this picture 3 only, and then you tell me, you can find out what rule of changing is used here. What rule of turning is used here. कौन सा rule यहाँ पर turning के लिए, changing के लिए use किया है? So see, it is better what? It is quarter turns. From here to here, it is quarter turns. If picture देखिए, if it is your original position and then it is coming from here, like this one, suppose this one is your beta, yes. And now if this arrow mark is coming here, it is what? Quarter turns. Means it is, when it is quarter turns, it is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. Now see, this is your blue part. अगर आपका ये blue part है, तो blue part अगर 90 degree turn होगा, तो it will be come here, no? तो यहाँ पर आना चाहिए ऐसे. It will come here, इस तरह आना चाहिए. And but it is not here. It is पहले ये आपका यहाँ पर था बेटा देखिए. पहले आपका यहाँ था. It will be come here if it is 90 degree. But ये आपका 90 degree नहीं है. But second picture में it is in between of these two ऐसे. इन दोनों के बीच में देखो. It means कि जो आपका 90 है, it is not 90. It is in between of two. It is in between of two देखिए. ये आपके दोनों के बीच में आया है. Blue part यहाँ पर आया है. It is in between of two, means it is 45 degree turning. 90 का half है ये, तो 90 का half क्या होता है बेटा? It is 45 degree. So this we have to find out that the picture are turning according to 95 degree turning. But yes, see, it is turning 95 degree. But whether they are turning in, see, this way or this way. In which direction they are turning? They are turning in this direction. So what is this direction? It is the direction of changing clockwise only. So it is clockwise turning beta. ये क्या हुआ आपका? Clockwise turning है. Okay? It is clockwise turning. So we can write here rule. देखिए, the picture are changing. Picture are changing by turn of. It is 45 degree. Turn of 45 degree. Clockwise. It is 45 degree clockwise. Okay. Yes, any doubt now? Yes. Now see, picture are changing by turn of 45 degree, but it is the 45 degree, okay, but in what direction? It is, whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, it is it is clockwise direction, means they are changing like this, इस तरह. See, इस तरह चेंज हो रहा है उसका बेटा, इस तरह चेंजिंग हो रहा है, इस तरह चेंजिंग हो रहा है, इस तरह चेंजिंग हो रहा है. They are changing clockwise. Okay, so this way we have to identify rule. Now see, when you find out rule here, according to this rule, by using this same rule, now we have to fill this blank, means what come next. आगे क्या आएगा, नेक्स्ट क्या होगा बेटा. तो देखिए ब्लू पार्ट इज हियर, ब्लू पार्ट को अगर हम टर्निंग देंगे 45 डिग्री, तो इट शुड बी कम हियर लाइक दिस. ऐसा उसका क्वेश्चन होगा बेटा. तो विच वन इज करेक्ट फ्रॉम दिस टू, whether this one is correct or this one is correct. See, if you give 90 by 45 degree turning to this one, it will come here. So this one, this picture is correct picture here. To come next, आगे जो आएगा वो this picture आएगा बेटा. So we can write this picture here. Yeah, we can draw this picture here. So see, your picture will be like this. Your picture will be like this here. Your picture is like this only. Yes. Okay. So this way we have to complete this picture. Okay. This pattern. Now, number 2 example. See, this is shape, and if there are green, blue, pink, white, 4 colors are used here. Same way, same 4 colors are used in each picture, but only position of color are different here. देखिए ग्रीन अब यहाँ पर था, अब यहाँ पर है बेटा, इसके बाद यहाँ पर है. Like that, blue here, now it is here, now it is here. Like that, the position, the color are same, but only position of color are changed. Only position of color are changed, and it is just because of what? Just only because of turning. So here again we have to identify what rule of turning, what rule is used here, and then we have to write this rule here, and after writing rule here, we have to find out what come next. आगे क्या आएगा? So to identify what come next here, we have to choose from these two one from these two, one from these two. दो में से हमें choose करना है. तो see, what rule is used here? See, this color, green color move here, यहाँ हुआ, then from here to again it is move here. देखिए यहाँ से वो यहाँ move हुआ बेटा. So it is because of turning. But according to what rule they are turning here? They are turn according to what rule they are turn? वो किस rule से turn हुए हैं? That we have to find out. So see, कौन सा rule है बेटा यहाँ पर? And in what direction? Whether it is anti or clockwise or anti-clockwise. So see, this color, green color, move here, and then again move here. The next picture will be move here, like that. So it is rule of turning. It is quarter turns, means 1/4 turns. So see, like that, it is the picture are changing by turn of 90 degree. Turn of 90 degree. Same way you can say it is 1/4 turn. 90 degree को भी आप क्या बोल सकते हैं? 1/4 turn बोल सकते हैं. But कैसे? In direction of clockwise. In direction of clockwise. Okay. So again you see, picture are changing by turn of 90 degree. That is quarter turns. It is direction of clockwise. So this way we can say picture are changing by turn of 90 degree. By turn of 90 degree. But in each shape, it is there turning of 90 degree. That is why the position of color are changed here. And but they are changing in this direction, not like that. Okay? आपका ये जो डायरेक्शन है, इस डायरेक्शन में चेंज हो रहा है बेटा, कि ऐसे नहीं हो रहा. इट इज क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन एंड इट इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. तो सी, इट इज एंटी. अगर इस तरह टर्न होता तो ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज होता, लेकिन ये आपका क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन ऐसे चेंज हो रहा है. देखिए इस तरह से ये इट इज क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. सो वी कैन राइट हियर क्लॉकवाइज. ओके, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. नाउ कम टू एग्जांपल नंबर 3. Example number 3. See, now what is this? इट्स ओनली से 1 2 3 एंड व्हाट कम नेक्स्ट, आगे क्या होगा? सी these two are there, these two pictures are there as an option. We have to choose correct option from these two. So before choose two option, we have to find out what is rule here. What rule is used here? कौन सा रूल यूज किया है बताइए क्या बेटा? See this part, suppose this is A part, suppose A part ये है आपका, B part ये है आपका, suppose now see it is changing, it is आपका जो A है, it's A move here and then this B move here. Next this आपका जो A part है, देखिए A part again it is move here, it is move here and then it is move here. B part आपका आगे यहाँ पर आ रहा है. तो what rule is used here? कौन सा रूल आपका यहाँ पर यूज हुआ है? बोलिए कौन सा रूल यूज हुआ बेटा यहाँ पर? What rule is used here? कौन सा रूल आपका यहाँ पर यूज हुआ है? बोलिए What rule is used here? कौन सा रूल यहाँ पर यूज हुआ है? बोलिए What rule is used here? देखिए ऐसे हो रहा पिक्चर. देखिए यहाँ पर A है, then A move to here, then again A move to here. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में आपका क्या होगा? तो हाउ दे आर चेंजिंग? See, they are changing in direction of this direction only. Like that they are changing. Mean it is clockwise turning. It is clockwise. But what turn? Turn of 90 degree, 1/3, quarter, half. What turn is there? What turn is used here? So see, the picture are changing in direction of in turning of quarter turns. तो क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? इसका जो क्वार्टर है, इसका क्वार्टर देखिए ये वाला पिक्चर है आपका. सपोज ये पिक्चर है, तो इसका पिक्चर ये देखिए ये वाला पार्ट या ऐसे जा रहा है, ऐसे आ रहा है, ये मीन्स आपका ये क्वार्टर होगा. फिर नेक्स्ट इट विल लाइक दिस, अगेन लाइक दिस, देन अगेन इट विल बी लाइक दिस. ओके, इस तरह का होगा ये. तो दिस वे ओके वी कैन से हियर द पिक्चर आर चेंजिंग बाय turn of 90 degree, or again you can say same but 1/4 turn, but it is clockwise. So we have to write here clockwise direction. Okay, we have to write here clockwise direction. Now it is rule. The by using same rule, what come next? Next आगे क्या आएगा बेटा? See these two picture now. So in this picture, this part will move here now. So this way, number 1 option is correct here. So we can write here this one. We can write this one. Okay, like this. This option is correct like this. Okay. Now see, picture are changing by turn of 90 degree. That is clockwise. Now next, see. Example 4. It is picture. It is white part. It is pink part. Now same picture 1 2 3 4 picture are there. Here we have to find out fifth one. आगे क्या होगा? फिफ्थ पिक्चर यहाँ पर हमें ड्रॉ करना है. स्पेस थोड़ा कम था, नीचे ड्रॉ करूंगा मैं. But before draw the fifth picture, we have to identify and write the rule here. हमें यहाँ पर आइडेंटिफाई करके रूल लिखना है कि what rule of the changing are used here. कौन सा रूल यहाँ पर यूज किया है? देखिए अगेन इस पिक्चर आर टर्निंग हियर. दिस पिक्चर यहाँ का जो पिंक पार्ट है, पिंक पार्ट इज मूव, पिंक पार्ट मूव हियर, देन फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इट मूव हियर, अगेन फ्रॉम हियर टू मूव हियर. ओके, लाइक दैट. So what is rule here? So they are turning like this, they are changing like this in the direction. So what is this? It is opposite direction of clock. So we can say it is anti-clockwise. ये क्या है बेटा? Anti-clockwise है. Okay? तो see again it is from here to here means it is quarter. देखिए ऐसे था पिक्चर आपका पिक्चर ऐसे था. तो नेक्स्ट पिक्चर आपका देखिए ये पिंक पार्ट आपका यहाँ पर है. इट इज योर पिंक पार्ट, पिंक सर्कल, देन इट मूव हियर, देन नेक्स्ट मूव इट इज हियर, ऐसे मूव हुआ. नेक्स्ट आपका अगेन वो इट मूव हियर. नेक्स्ट आपने आपका मूव, आपका नेक्स्ट पार्ट पिंक पर सर्कल जो ऐसे मूव हो रहा है. तो व्हाट इज दिस टर्निंग बेटा? इट इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट टर्निंग? इट इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ क्वार्टर टर्निंग. सो वी कैन राइट हियर पिक्चर आर चेंजिंग by what? Turn of 90 डिग्री, या फिर क्वार्टर टर्न बोल सकते हैं उसे बेटा, 90 डिग्री और क्वार्टर टर्न्स, बट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. इट इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज बेटा, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है. इट इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ओके, तो सी इफ दिस आर चेंजिंग लाइक दिस, तो आवर नेक्स्ट पिक्चर जो हमारा जो फिफ्थ पिक्चर होगा, हाँ, so it will be, देखिए, it is pink color circle, move here, then it move here, again it move here as per the anti rule, anti-clockwise. So next again it will be move here. So our next will be like this, and your circle part will be here only. The circle part will be here. Now you choose which one the correct option here for the fifth picture. From these two only you have to choose. इन दो में से भी choose करना है कौन सा सही होगा. Whether it was first one or second one, कौन सा सही होगा बेटा? The first one picture will be there. It is first picture is correct here, so we can write first one. So see, this will be correct here now. इस ये वाला आपका सही होगा fifth picture. तो it is your option, it is your correct answer. ये देखिए, तो फिफ्थ पिक्चर आपका इस तरह का, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड दिस वन इज फिफ्थ. ओके, सो दिस वे इट वाज टुडेज क्लास अबाउट मतलब आइडेंटिफाई द रूल and continue the patterns. Identify rule, continue pattern, and find out for the next option from given option. Next picture from given option. Okay, thank you.